What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Heatblast from Ben 10. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw an oval coming in an angle. So we'll start by going up, come down on the inside, and I want to create a gap along the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're just going to line this up. We're going to go around in the opposite direction, come down towards the same height, and then back up, leaving that gap. Now from the top, and goes down and out towards the side of the head, round up the head, and just pull that up and then in towards the top. Now I want to create a little gap along the center. So we're going to come down, across, and then up towards the right. Let's go to the bottom of the eye, draw another straight angle line going out towards the cheekbones. Go this around, then in. And then we're going to add a fang. We're going to go up and then bend that down in the middle. Let's close off the center with a slight curve. Now let's move down, draw the lower jaw, start with that curve across the middle, come straight down the sides, bend that out and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the chin, coming down, across, and then up. Now just underneath the chin, we're going to add a curve for the collar, starting on the left. We're going to come down, in towards the chin, and then back up. Let's round out the collar, coming down and in. Go back to the left side, come down and in towards the center point, round this out, and go up towards the right. Now let's go back up to the top and draw that large flame around the head. So we're going to start from this point, curve around the head, come in, and then bend that back out toward the point, bend this in, and then down. Let's add that large center flame. We're going to go up and across towards the right, come down, and then back out. Let's add one more point going out, come down around the skull, come down and in towards the right corner. Now it's going to add that inner flame around the head. Let's start back on the bottom left and go all the way around, come up and in, and then out toward the point, come in and then down, go up and across, come down and then over towards the right. Let's add one more point going up. I'm just going to trace this all the way around and then back in and then down on the right. Now I'm going to add that symbol in the center of the collar. I'm going to start with a circle, starting from the top. And then from either side, draw two angled lines coming in and then back out. Let's fill those areas on the side in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Start underneath the collar on the left, curve this down and in, come straight down towards the hips. Now we're going to move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now we're going to round up the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, coming down and up. And then we'll curve the top of the foot. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips. Draw the outside of the leg, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now I also want to separate the toe, starting from the top of the foot. I'm going to split this in half with one curve. Now we're going to go back up towards the side of the body and draw in the arm. Let's start on the left. Bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb and then close that off with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and then up around that bracket. Let's go to the side. Add the second finger, and then the third finger. I'm just going to bend this all the way around and just pull that in underneath the collar. Now we're going to go back and add that pattern across the body. Let's start from the left arm, from the outside, bend this down and in, bend this up, and then in underneath the collar. Now I'm going to step over, just going to trace this line coming down. Now let's bend this down and in towards the wrist. Let's go over towards the right arm. We'll start with a curve going across the top. On the outside, step down, follow that curve coming in, come down, and then back out. Let's add that pattern across the body. We're going to start underneath the collar. Just going to trace the collar coming across towards the right, come down and out, and then bend this out towards the hip. From the hip, step down, follow that back up, come down, and then back out towards the right. Now let's trace the right side of the collar, coming in. I'm just going to follow that line coming down and then back out towards the hip. Let's finish off with that texture across the legs. From the inside on the left, then it's up and then out. Step down, follow that curve coming in, bend this down and out towards the left. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the inside, going up and out, and trace this along the inside. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Heatblast from Ben 10. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.